Good evening, guys. It's Breaker Brothers again, coming to you with new product here. We've got the Donruss Optic 2018-2019 basketball cards. It looks like this has been out for about a week or two now. I just haven't had a chance to get to the store and grab a couple. But this is very similar to Prism. You're going to have a lot of the same star rookies like Luka Doncic, DeAndre Ayton, Trae Young, Jaren Jackson Jr., all those. Now this product, as you can see, Luka's kind of featured on the front there, so it's definitely my hopes that there is a Luka in here. Now there's quite a few different parallels. I don't know if you can see it or not. At the very bottom you can see it says included approximately one in every pack. So one of these mini numerous inserts is included in this pack, in one of the packs, and there are 7 packs per box with 4 cards per pack. We are looking for the different parallels. There's a checkerboard parallel. Now, I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but on Blowout Card Forum, somebody pulled the checkerboard Luka Doncic 1/1 autograph. So, unfortunately, that one's not in this box. That actually, keep in mind, that person pulled it out of a retail blaster. So, some magic can be pulled out of these. So, I'm really hoping that we get a little bit of Luka magic. Especially even if it was just a base Luka, I think we would get our money back on these blasters. And I did want to point out too, there's a blaster exclusive here. There's signature parallels numbered to 25 or less, and exclusive lime green parallels. These Prism products, I do have to say, they're very good about including a lot more of the Hall of Fame players. I know that Prism had a lot of Larry Bird, Magic Johnson, Charles Barkley, etc. So I'm hoping that this product has some of that. So let's get to breaking and hope we get an autograph or something good. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. All right. Start with pack number 1, featuring Kobe on the front here. Come on, Luka. Let's see. Jeremy Lin, Joe Ingles, C.J. McCollum, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. That's not a bad one. Nice star rookie there. Harrison Barnes, Kristaps Porzingis, Giannis Antetokounmpo. We got some kind of prism here. Okay, lock it up. Insert. This guy, Giannis, actually got second in All-Star voting. It was LeBron, Giannis, and then Luka. And personally, I feel like Luka was robbed, but that's okay. He's a rookie. I'm sure some of the new folks, some of the league players didn't want to let him in just so quickly. There's Hassan Whiteside, Kyle Lowry, Prism, Yusuf Nurkic, and a Jaren Jackson Jr. All right, I'll take that. Nice little rookie there. Have a Prism. Nope. Bogdan Bogdanovic, Evan Fournier, Lauri Markkanen franchise features, and John Wall. Let's see. All right, there's DeMarcus Cousins, Joel Embiid, Lock It Up, Paul George, and Mo Bamba. Frank Ntilikina, Dwayne Wade, Trevor Ariza purple. Let's see. Oh, not numbered. Purple Prism there. pack number 7. We've got James Harden, Terrence Ross, Express Lane, Ben Simmons, and Kevin Huerter rookie. All right, box number 2. Got a James Harden, Terrence Ross, franchise features Kemba Walker, and another Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. I'll take that. Frank Ntilikina, Dwayne Wade, Dennis Schroeder purple prism there, and Bradley Beal. DeMarcus Cousins, Joel Embiid, winner stays Jerry West, and Svi Hoodiwadi. I couldn't even pronounce that name. I'm not going to try. This is pack number 4. Bogdan Bogdanovic. I don't know why, but I get this guy all the time. Evan Fournier, Dwayne Wade, Express Lane, and Jarrett Allen. Got a silver prism. Ooh, it's a rated rookie. Let's see. Hassan Whiteside, Kyle Lowry. Yes, DeAndre Ayton. I will take that. Beautiful, beautiful. Elia Kobo, I'm sorry, you're not that important right now. I will go ahead and sleeve that bad boy up. Silver Prism Ayton. Looks like it's got good centering on it, so I might consider grading that one personally. All right. Next pack, if it will let me open it. Come on, autograph. Let's go, let's go. Harrison Barnes, Kristaps Porzingis. Oh, nice. Russell Westbrook. Franchise features, purple. Not numbered, but that's okay. And the final pack. Ooh, this is the line. Jeremy Lin, Joe Ingles. Nice, Scottie Pippen lime prism. Ooh, numbered to 149. You see that, guys? 33 of 149. Not a bad insert there. Scottie Pippen, I will take that. This is the winner stays insert there. So it's not a bad card, guys. And then finally, a nice Trae Young rookie. I will definitely take that. So let's do a brief recap of what we got. There is the Lock It Up inserts. We got the Giannis purple and the Paul George regular insert. The Express Lane inserts of C.J. McCollum, Dwayne Wade, Ben Simmons. Franchise features, there's the purple of Russell Westbrook, Kemba Walker, regular, and Lauri Markkanen. Got our purple prisms of Dennis Schroeder and Trevor Ariza. Again, these are not numbered. We'll go through a few of these rookies. We got Trae Young, Elliot Kobo, Svi Mykhailiuk, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander twice, Kevin Huerter, Mo Bamba, and Jaren Jackson Jr. Not a bad rookie lot there. And then the winner stays, there's a Jerry West, as well as a lime prism of Scottie Pippen. Now again, this one was numbered to 149, 33 of 149, so that's actually quite a decent pool there. Hall of Famer, soon to be, if not already. And then, of course, the beautiful cards of the break. Silver Prism, Nurkic, not too impressed with that one. But we got the Silver Prism, DeAndre Ayton. DeAndre Ayton. Great card there. Well, that concludes the break, guys. I've gone over this product a little bit here. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a comment. Definitely like, share. Keep in mind we've got the giveaway going on, so you will need to subscribe to our page. So please do subscribe. Send us a comment if you want, or if you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks, guys. Have a good evening.